Welcome to today's grammar quiz. Let's begin and see how well you know your grammar. Are you ready? Let's go. Question number 1. She usually breakfast at 7 a.m. The correct answer is A, has. She usually has breakfast at 7 a.m. Question number 2. They dinner when I arrived. The correct answer is D, were cooking. They were cooking dinner when I arrived. Question number 3. We to the beach last weekend. The correct answer is C, went. We went to the beach last weekend. Question number 4. The dog in the garden. The correct answer is B, plays. The dog plays in the garden. Question number 5. You very tired today. The correct answer is A, look. You look very tired today. Question number 6. They watching TV when I called. The correct answer is C, were. They were watching TV when I called. Question number 7. If it rains, we inside. The correct answer is A, stay. If it rains, we stay inside. Question number 8. I to the store after work. The correct answer is D, went. I went to the store after work. Question number 9. She the piano beautifully. The correct answer is B, plays. She plays the piano beautifully. Question number 10. My brother at the gym now. The correct answer is B, works. My brother works at the gym now. Question number 11. We a new house last year. The correct answer is D, bought. We bought a new house last year. Question number 12. The book on the shelf. The correct answer is A, is. The book is on the shelf. Question number 13. She her homework every evening. The correct answer is B, does. She does her homework every evening. Question number 14. I breakfast this morning. The correct answer is D, at. I ate breakfast this morning. Question number 15. They in the park right now. The correct answer is D, are running. They are running in the park right now. That's it for today. How did you do? Let me know your score in the comment section down below. Keep learning, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye for now.